Monty Reed with another crash repair troubleshooting session on the AR Parrot Drone. And this was a forward crash. I was flying in high winds outdoors, and the wind flipped it over and it just crashed into the ground. So this is where it hit in the right front, and the gear is a little chewed up but still functional. The problem is, if you look at this, you can see that it's wobbling, so it looks like we actually have a bent axle. So we've got the axle kit, and we're going to swap that out. So we'll start with the C-clip removal tool. We'll look for the open side of the C, and we'll push on that and pop that off. Pop that off. And then we just lift the propeller off, pull off the gear. Let's see if the gear is okay. Gear seems to be okay. This axle shaft doesn't want to come out, and of course, if you give it a push, you can see it's obviously bent. And so, got some new axles. We'll just pop one of those out and slip it in. To make sure that this is okay, we're going to put it on the axle and give it a spin, and you can see that the gear is fine. Stick the new axle in, place the new gear on, drop it in place. Make sure that lines up with the motor, and then we'll stick the prop on. We're going to make sure that you line up the propeller and the gear. There's a key piece, a keyway that fits right in here. You can see how that lines up. Drop that in together. Make sure that spins, and then we'll stick the C-clip on top and pop it back in place with the tool. A standard tool that comes with it. Just line up this tool and we'll push that in and lock it in place. So that was the troubleshooting for the AR drone front crash, and replace the axle. We'll take it outside and do a test flight, make sure it's functional.
Keep thriving, my friends.